Welcome, and thank you for joining me for this WorldSkills Mastercam tutorial series, Machining Your Part. Last episode, we went over the process for creating the necessary hole-making operations and chamfering the first side. In this episode, join me as we walk through setting up the second side for machining. Before we begin the second side, let's verify our toolpaths machined correctly. If necessary, right-click in the graphics window and select Isometric to get a better view of the model. Now, select the machine group at the top of the Toolpaths Manager, then select Verify Selected Operations. In a separate window, the Mastercam Simulator launches. Inside the Mastercam Simulator, there are three separate modes you can choose from: Backplot, Verify, and Simulation. The tools we have available to us inside of the Mastercam Simulator will vary based on the mode we are in. Staying inside of the Verify mode, under the Verify tab, select the Color Loop option. This will help break up the different toolpaths on the playback bar and make it easier to pinpoint any collisions. Press play to watch the simulation run through. The simulation shows the expected toolpath motion and removes material from the stock definition provided. After the Verify simulation is complete and you have finished analyzing the toolpaths, feel free to exit the window. Back in Mastercam, let's continue with the part. If necessary again, right-click in the graphics window and select Isometric. Before we create the second planes and toolpath groups, we should edit and add a viewsheet to the part file. Viewsheets are quick and easy ways to create different part views, each on their own tab. Right-click on the viewsheet and select Save Viewsheet as bookmark. This saves the current view to the viewsheet. Right-click again and this time select New Viewsheet. Then name it Second Side. When we are finished creating our secondary plane, we will save the new view to the second side view sheet. Select the Planes Manager tab to bring it to the forefront. At the top, select the Create a New Plane drop-down menu, then select From Solid Face. Using the middle mouse wheel, press and hold the wheel to move the model around to get a good view of the second side. Select the top flat face. The Select Plane dialog box displays. Toggle through the pre-generated access combinations to find the proper combination, plane 1 of 8. Select OK. In the New Plane Function panel, rename the plane Second Side. Under the Origin options, adjust the Z origin from -40mm to 0. This will move our Z origin to the previously machined face, allowing for easier setup repeatability when machining. Under Work Offset, set the radio button to manual, then change the offset number to +1. When creating toolpaths for the second side, this will assign them to the G55 work offset. Select OK to generate the new plane. This second side plane is our new work coordinate system. If we right-click in the graphics window and select Isometric, we now get an isometric view relative to our new plane. Right-click on the second side view sheet, then select Save Viewsheet as bookmark. With the new plane made, bring up the Toolpaths Manager. Then, right-click on Machine Group 1. Move down to the Groups menu, then select New Toolpath Group. Rename the group Second Side. This will help organize the toolpaths in the part file. Before we wrap up this episode, let's walk through creating a stock model to get a better visual of the part. Under the Toolpaths tab, select Stock Model. In the Stock Model page, set the name to Second Side. Now, at the bottom of the page, select Stock Setup. This will now reference our stock setup from the first side operations. Under the Source Operations page, select Toolpath Group 1. The stock model will now process these toolpaths against the stock defined. Select OK to generate the stock model. Now, we have an accurate visual of what the second side will look like when machining. Well, That is all the time we have for this episode. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to continue the series as we begin to rough and finish the second side next.